So here we have, it came in yesterday, we've just washed it off. It came in part exchange against a McCormick tractor I had. This is a local tractor. It was sold by KG Kingston probably, I don't know how many years ago. Now it's, what is it? It's a 4230. What can I tell you about it? It's cleaned up, not too bad. It's got a bit of damage to the front nose cone there. Now the customer did say to me that it had a water leak, but I can't see the water leak because there's water in the radiator. Let me have a look, see if I can show you. There's water in there. You can't really see it really, but there is water in there. Yeah, there you go, look. Oh, I can't get the bloody lid back on now. I don't know if that's on or not. No. Anyway, I'll put the lid back on. So, yeah, I don't know too much about these tractors really. All I know is it's four-wheel drive, joystick controls for the loader. It's got the headstock where you've got Euro 8, Euro 3 and Trema. I'm not going to say there's a little bit of wear in that. Not loads. It's had that bar has been welded there. The side panels aren't on it. Whether it's because they won't fit on because the loader brackets possibly, but they're not with it. Front tyres are down 10% on them. The rears are very good. They're probably 60%. The rears are 420 85 R34s. It's got a top link with it. The string's for free. I don't like string, but that string is there. Pickup hitch. It's got the drawbar. Just the ploughing. Just the one. Yeah, look, that windy thing works. It's got trailer brakes. It's got one rear spool, I think. Well, there's two, but I think it's only one double acting, possibly. It's P-Reg. I haven't got a V5 for it. Right, let's have a look at the engine oil. Oh, that's around the other side. Is it around the other side? Right. Where is the dipstick? Around here. Yeah, it's got oil in it. So there is oil in the engine. That's a good start, isn't it? It is a little bit low, but it has got oil in it. Diesel tank's there. I'll fire it up a minute. Oh, let's have a look at the back end oil. I'm pretty sure I checked that. That's in a nice, easy place. Look. Cool. Nice long dipstick. Whoa. Yeah, it's got oil in the back end. Where's the dipstick? There's oil in the back end. It's on minimum, but there is oil in there. Like I say, we haven't actually done anything to this at all apart from wash it. Mud guards are all right. Right, we have cleaned the inside. Handbrake thingy. It's on 8,000 hours. Oh look, it's even got the wireless. I don't know whether that works or not. Someone's turned the ignition right off. That's a little fun fact. If you turn the ignition right back round, it shows the hours. It's on 8,000 hours, but yeah, you don't want to turn it right back or else your battery will go flat. Little fun fact for a Wednesday. Right, let's fire it up a minute. It's got a stop, so it doesn't turn off on the key, it's just got a manual stop. Right, so the gears are on the right hand side. It's got a splitter gear, that is actually lit up, we'll show you that in a sec. The dials are working, you can't really see very well. Indicators are all working, that's a bonus. How do you turn the windscreen wiper on? Not that you're going to need it because there's no rain about for a little bit. Oh look, the windscreen wiper rubber's non-existent, but it does work. I will just check the wireless. I don't expect it works. I don't know how you turn it on even. No, the wireless doesn't work. Right, the loader. The loader goes up and down, side to side. I don't know if it's so. Third service works, so that's all cool. Oh yeah, you got four-wheel drive and diff locker on the switches. Right, what am I doing now? Handbrake. Handbrake's down. If you can see it. I better shut the door, I don't want to fall out. Right then. I'm going to drive forwards. Right, so that's driving forwards. That's low splitter. That's high. Oh no. Let me put it in reverse. So you can reverse. You can change gear in reverse, so it doesn't go really slow reverse. Right, I'm putting it in high now. There you go. There's a high split. I don't expect you saw that, but the splitter gear works. Let's have a look at the steering. I don't think you can really see too much. I will just, I don't know if you can see that. Doesn't seem to be too much play in those track rod ends. They all seem pretty good, in all fairness. They're all right. Nothing wrong with that. Right. Oh, the four-wheel drive. So if I put it in low, so I'm going in low now. I'm just going to put the four-wheel drive in. That's in now. And then out. You heard it clunk? You can't really see, but it's coming in and out. Yeah. So the four-wheel drive's working. Right, let's have a look around the back of the thing then. Ow! God, just hit my blooming elbow on that. Ow. Right, PTO, how do you turn that on? I think that must be this one, is it? Oh no, this one. So that's PTO in, by the looks of it. Let's go and see if the PTO is working. Better put the handbrake on. Yeah. PTO's going round. Let me stop that a minute. Ow, I just hit my head now. God. Right, that's the PTO off. Right, let's try the rear linkage without whacking my head. I don't know how that works. Is that right up? Yeah, that's the rear linkage right up. Oh, bloody hell. Now it looks like you pull this thing and then drop it down, do you? Yeah, that's it. That's the hitch unlatched. So all that seems to work all right. The lights, we'll try the lights a minute. That's all the, yeah, so you've got the work lights are working, that side light's out, the bulb. You've got two headlights, you can't really see. That side light's on. Oh yeah, you got all those work lights there working on the back, you can't really see. Side lights are working. Indicator's working. Yeah, genuinely it's not too bad. It's just a water leak I need to work out what is going on there. But I can't see it leaking. Anyway, give us a call if you're interested in a reasonably priced four-wheel drive loader tractor. Cheers.